that knee and this hand and put this behind. Now, what we're going to do is really focus on bending this elbow a little bit, Lisa. So as you press this leg down, there's this spiraling around and arching and inhaling. Lovely. And then curl down. Now, I would add this exercise and stretch in any of your progressions of this series. And recently somebody asked me, well, why do you put stretches in the middle of the class? Well, one reason is what I consider a stretch is not what other people consider a stretch. I'm not supporting the idea of a static end of range hold here. This is a dynamic movement. So we're not stopping in your class. Secondly, it's what you would call fatigue management, okay? So often when somebody has some of these really severe or chronic conditions, they are having to learn how to pace themselves. And if you push them too far, too fast, and don't give them breaks throughout the class, it can actually put them backwards. So you might, instead of doing 10 repetitions, you might do 5. And do 5 repetitions and then let them have a chance to sit down. When you've done your 10, changing 7? Okay, let's do 7 and you can add in this variation, okay?